System reset. The camera is now ready to begin pairing. The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Indicator LED is on or blink. Find nearby devices. Power on your device. Enter a new address or press enter to use your default address. Make sure your home network is working properly and connect the network cable. Please select an available Wi-Fi network.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Please enter the Wi-Fi password. Please enter the Wi-Fi password. Device is connected. Please wait.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Device installed successfully.